Hello friends, today we will talk about software error. Error is an incorrect statement or instruction in a program. Software errors are common in software testing and development. Errors are always present in every software. As it goes, no software is error free. Errors can be introduced as a result of incomplete or inaccurate requirements or due to human data entry problems. Type of error. First one is compilation errors, second one is runtime errors, third one is logical errors. Now we will see every types of error in brief. First one is compilation errors. These types of errors are occurred when we compile the code, generally misspelled by the programmer while writing code, or instruction results in this type of errors. In absence of exact knowledge of syntax of a function or programming construct, loop construct, control structure, etc. Ambiguity may arise and instruction written which is not proper to compile by compiler. For example, in the loop construct, you start with if but you forgot to write and if at last. At this type, compilation errors may arise. Second one is runtime errors. At the execution time, program faces of problem that is very difficult to carry out. Mostly program execution stopped. Using debugging procedures step by step, runtime errors can be eliminated. For example, divide by 0 error. Here C is equal to A divided by B. B must not be 0. Division by 0 is not defined mathematically. Third type of error is logical errors. When we get no error in compilation but the output what we are getting is not as per our expectation, then there is some logical mistake in the writing code or in designing flowchart or algorithm. So we consider it as a logical mistake. Logical errors are very difficult to find and fix. For example, you might have a variable named first name that is initially set to a blank string. Later in your program, you might concatenate first name with another variable name last name to display a full name. If you forgot to assign a value to first name, only the last name would be displayed, not the full name as you intended. Thank you for watching.